Our top story this morning, the top medical official in the United States is warning that the Delta variant of COVID-19 may become the dominant strain in the U.S., calling it the greatest threat to the country's attempt to eliminate the virus. The EU also says 90% of cases in the bloc could be the strain first identified in India by the end of August. Seung-jae has our top story.
The Delta variant, first discovered in India, is now being dubbed the biggest threat to the United States, according to the director of the U.S. National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, Dr. Anthony Fauci.
Similar to the situation in the UK, the Delta variant is currently the greatest threat in the U.S. to our attempt to eliminate COVID-19. Good news, our vaccines are effective against the Delta variant. Conclusion, we have the tools, so let's use them and crush the outbreak.
During Tuesday's White House briefing on COVID-19, Fauci added that the Delta variant is spreading so quickly in the U.S. that it's likely to become the most dominant strain in the country within weeks. Statistics show that 20.6% of new cases reported in the U.S. are the Delta variant. A similar warning has also been issued by the European Center for Disease Control, stating that the Delta variant will represent 90% of all COVID-19 cases in the EU by the end of August. In the threat assessment published by the ECDC, it noted the variant is more transmissible than others, and preliminary data shows it can also infect people who have received only one vaccine dose. It added the variant will likely circulate extensively during the summer, particularly among younger people. The UK, which reported over 16,000 new cases in the past 24 hours, has seen a massive resurgence due to the Delta variant now being reported in over 90% of new cases. However, the UK is now even on a higher alert, as the much more powerful Delta Plus variant has been reported. So far, the Delta Plus variant accounts for at least 41 cases. In response, the government and Public Health England have put measures in place, which include enhanced contact tracing and testing. The Delta variant is also responsible for the recent rise in cases in Israel. Following the Prime Minister's call for masks to be worn indoors again, the country's health ministry chief said Tuesday that it would be wise for its citizens to consider wearing masks in crowded places, including at airports and in hospitals. The ministry will soon issue a directive, including requiring masks at all schools and academic institutions. Seung-jae, Arirang News.